मैं ये
सूझबूझ से जब तक स्टूडेंट अच्छे रहे।
Thank you so much, Dr. Simarjeet. Good evening to everybody. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. I hope you are having fun in this certificate course, and I have seen your homework, and it is so satisfying. You have done a very good work. You are practicing very nicely, and now you understood the how we draw these letters, how we make. And I'm so happy. So first of all, congratulations to all of you. And I hope very soon you all will be writing your diaries in Sharda script. Okay, now we are going to start today's class. So we have learned till na, right? Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Okay, my screen is visible to everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we have learned till now. So, first of all, I'm writing all the letters again. So, there will be no confusion till ka to na. Okay. So, this was our ka. Okay. Then it's about it's her.
अभी लेफ्ट लास्ट में राइट वाले के
हाँ, कोई कुछ बोल रहा है? My voice is clear to everyone?
yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is her. Then no. Okay. This is no. Then cha.
I think, ma'am, someone's audios are.
Okay, let me see.
Swati, ma'am.
Swati ji, Karan ji, Rahul ji. Please make sure you are mute while I am making these letters. Okay. So this is cha. Then this is okay. Just a minute. This is cha. There is no lower line. This is cha. Then ja. Then cha and nya. Then ta. The line comes like this. Fa. ह, and this is ण. Okay, ठ ढ ढ ण. Then t, h, d, dh, and n. So we have learned till these letters yesterday. So now okay. So now the gh, there is no upper line. Then the j, the th, ण, these four letters don't have upper line. Okay. Now we are moving further to the next letters. It's clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
यहाँ तक आप सबको एकदम स्पष्ट रूप से पता है कि कौन सा वर्ण किस तरह से बनेगा. अब हम आगे चलते हैं कि आगे बस अब तो कुछ ही अक्षर बचे हैं कि वो किस तरह से बनेंगे. तो सबसे पहले हमारी लाइन आती है प की. तो इन देवनागरी it's प. In diacritics we write it like this, PA. The P. In Sharda, we make P like this, like Devanagari P. Okay, but the two things you should understand that there is no upper line. The first thing, and second, it's curved from the starting points. It's curved. ओके प्रारंभ में ये क्या होगा, थोड़ा सा मुड़ा होगा और इस पर शिरोरेखा नहीं लगी होगी. प में यही ध्यान रखना है, देवनागरी के प के ही समान है, लेकिन भिन्नता सिर्फ इतनी है कि शिरोरेखा नहीं है और शुरुआत में ये थोड़ा सा कर्व होगा.
मैम गुजराती में भी प इसी तरह से लिखा जाता है अभी भी.
अच्छा ठीक है, बहुत. तो अब देखिए हम सारी लिपियों के साथ इनकी साम्यता देख रहे हैं और इसमें हम आगे और रिसर्च भी कर सकते हैं कि ये कब कौन से काल में हुआ, कब तक चला और फिर वापस से इस पे शिरोरेखा कैसे आ गई. बिकॉज देयर आर टू लेटर्स इन देवनागरी विच आर सिमिलर एंड दीज आर प एंड य. ओके, सो हाउ if both are same, how we find okay this is pa and this is ya. So there will, if there is no shirorekha, then this letter is pa. Okay, so this is pa. I'm making it again. Okay, a small curve from the starting point, then a straight line. This is pa of Sharda script. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This is very simple. Now the next letter is H. In Devanagari we make H like this. In diacritics it is H. In Sharda there is a upper line. Then we start from the line like this and this. This is H. Okay, I'm making it again. Look carefully. This. This is H. There will be some space between Shirorekha and the last stroke. Okay, here you can see the space very clearly. So if there is space, it is H and the upper line is there. Okay, so this is H. It's the second part is not touched to the upper line. जो बाद का पार्ट है ये ऊपर शिरोरेखा से जुड़ा हुआ नहीं है. तो इस तरह से हम ह बनाएंगे. एक बार फिर से देखिए कि बनाना किस तरह से है। पहले आपकी शिरोरेखा, और आप यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे, ये इस तरह घूमेगा और फिर आपको ये इस तरह से बनाना है। ओके, the straight line will be there. You start from here, then a curve, and then you have to complete this circle. Okay, the second circle will be complete. It's not it will be empty, but it's not freely. It will touch the line of her which we made before. Okay, this is her. Now the letter B. Balaha, balikaha. In diacritics, we pronounce it like B, B-A. This is very simple in Sharda script. You just have to make a straight line and then a circle like this, the half circle. Okay, in Devanagari, when you see this B, this is B. What you have to remove, just look carefully, this line and this internal line only. Then it comes like B. Understand? This is not different. We have to
Yes,
remove
ma'am.
just few letters, few things of Devanagari's B, the internal line and the lower one. So it will become B. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
It
ma'am.
is very simple. This is B. Then Bha. Okay. So Bha, we start from this line, the straight one, then a stroke, and then we make a round and it goes like this. Okay, it doesn't touch those the starting one, but it goes like this, and sometimes we find it like this, but it's not touched. Okay, we have to be very careful. Okay, there is a circle and there are two strokes. This is bha. We can find these two types of bha. There are two strokes. One is starting stroke and the other one is the ending stroke. But these two are not connected to each other. This is the format to write bha. But when we see the manuscript, sometimes we can find it touched also. But we हाँ, किसी का कोई सवाल है? Okay, so is it clear? This is bha.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Huh?
It is similar to da, just
Okay.
only for the gap is
Now,
short and.
yes. What is the difference between the? We are going to talk about this one. Now you have to understand. Okay, I'm making the now. Your the will be like this and it will end here. Okay. Let me make again. Your the, it goes like this and it ends here.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can see the difference. There is a big circle in bha and there is only half circle is in the. Okay, and one more letter is there. What is this?
Ma'am.
What is this letter?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cha varga ka pancham akshar, the last letter of the line of cha, second line. Okay, this is ya. So there is one line and there is not the ending stroke. Okay, but in the you can see there is only half circle. It doesn't go to like in bha we can feel it goes to connect the starting point, but in da it ends only there. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This is da and this is bha. Okay. Now you can understand the difference. There is only a very lesser difference. The letters are similar to each other, but we have to find the differences. Okay. And it's very clear what is bha and what is da. This is da. Now we are making ma. In Devanagari we write ma like this. In Sharda we make ma this one. Okay, there is a very small curve, and you have to understand that this one will be totally round. This is not triangular, this is round, and it's filled. This is ma, and there is no upper line. It is totally round. Clear? This is ma. It is very similar to Devanagari, but there are two things we have to note. There is no upper line, first thing, and the second thing, there is a circle. Okay? Here, it is a circle and it's filled. We are not making it triangular like Devanagari, which we find in today's font. So, to find more, we have to understand only two things. There will be an upper line and there will be a circle and which is filled. म अक्षर को समझने के लिए सिर्फ दो ही चीजों का ध्यान रखना है कि उसके ऊपर शिरोरेखा रहेगी और उसका जो ये गोल ये घुमावदार जो स्थान है ये गोल रहेगा और ये पूरी तरह से फिल्ड रहेगा, भरा हुआ रहेगा. ठीक है?
मैम जो स्टार्टिंग
हाँ जी.
करते हैं वहां से थोड़ा कर्व होगा या ऐसे स्ट्रेट रहेगा?
हाँ, ऊपर से ये कर्व रहेगा, ऊपर से ये थोड़ा सा कर्व रहेगा.
जी
ओके
मैम, जैसा कि आगे बताया था, गुजराती में प इस शारदा लिपि की तरह ही लिखा जाता है, तो उसी
हाँ.
तरह गुजराती में म भी एज इट इज लिखा जाता है.
एज इट इज है. अरे वाह, तब तो फिर हम साथ में गुजराती भी सीख रहे हैं.
जी जी.
हाँ, तो जैसा कि हमने कल बात की थी कि सारी लिपियां आपस में बहन है, और उत्तर भारत की लिपियों की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो ऐसा ही है. तो अब देखिए, आज की प्रवर्तमान लिपि 21वीं शताब्दी की और 10वीं शताब्दी में भी यही था, तो इसके अंदर ज्यादा परिवर्तन नहीं आया. अब परिवर्तन मतलब अगर आया है तो ऊपर की शिरोरेखा का है. तो ये कब आया, क्यों आया, ये कारण भी हम साथ में शोध में जान सकते हैं. तो संभावनाएं हमारे सामने बहुत सारी खुल रही हैं. ठीक है, चलिए आगे बढ़े. So now we are understanding that the some letters are very similar to today's Gujarati script also. So we can say कि Gujarati script was also born from or developed by through this script, Sharda script. Okay, so pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. I'm writing all these letters again. So this is our pa. Then ha, ba, ha. Okay, and then ma. There is a very short curve and this is ma. Now we have to identify that which letter doesn't have the upper line. Which one?
and ma.
And
Okay, there are two letters. The pa. So what we are going to do? We are making box around this letter. Okay. These two letters don't have upper line. Pa and ma. So in the last line, the line was of ta, tha, dha, na. There was not such a letter. Each letter had upper line. Okay. So now we can say the matter is settled here. Okay. Sometimes we do this now. Okay, I don't want this thing. You can take this one. So it is like something. So this is the line of pa. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay then. Now we are moving for the line of year. In Devanagari, we make like year like this. And in diacritics, it is year. The sound it is year. I told when we were making pa, that time I told you that the pa and year, these letters are similar. Okay. So in Sharda script, we found year like this. Okay. We start a line like this, then this curve and this one. And there is an upper line. This is year. Okay. So in Devanagari, what happened? This turning point, it became circle. Okay. In Devanagari, it become like this. This line became like this. Okay, so it is similar, but sometimes we can find here like this also in manuscripts, but there will be an upper line. So now we can understand this letter was pa. Okay, so there is no Shiro Rekha, and the other one is ya. If there is upper line, then it is ya. Okay.
ma'am, it's a mirror image of O.
Hanji.
It's a mirror image of Sharda O.
हाँ.
ये
आप अपना प्रश्न फिर से दोहराइए, मुझे सुनाई नहीं दिया.
मैम इट्स लुक लाइक शारदा ओ. शारदा सिल्क का
Sharda
जो O
O.
है,
No. Sharda O is like this.
mirror
Sharda
image.
O is like this.
Mirror
Okay.
image of O. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm making it. So it is totally the mirror image, we can say. Okay. So the space is. It starts here is the space, and in O the space is here. Okay. So we should not be confused through these images. Clear? It is very similar to Devanagari's year. That's why I am telling that Devanagari was developed through this script. We are not going to the other scripts. We are just finding the similarities with Devanagari script only. Okay. So this is year. Now, Ra. Ra is very important. Ra. Okay. In diacritics, we make like this. This is the sound Ra. In Sharda, this is very simple. First of all, an upper line, then a straight line, and then a triangular shape. And it is filled. This is Ra. This is Ra. Okay. So what is the difference between Ra and and E.
दो
Double
बिंदु
ऊपर
Double
दो
dots.
डॉट्स आते हैं ई के अंदर।
These two dots र और E में क्या फर्क हुआ? E में आपके दो बिंदु ऊपर और लगाए हुए थे और र में नहीं है, ठीक है? And this is not round. We have to understand this is triangular. Okay, these angles are very clear here. And this is not like this. This is totally like this. This one is half of this line. Okay. It should be the lower part, the triangular, it should be the half of that line. Is it clear? Now,
Ma'am.
how it is similar to Devanagari? Just look at here. This is Ra, okay? And we do like this, and then we remove this one. Sorry. Okay? So it goes like this. So now we are making it, we are making some curves and it goes like this. Okay? In today's Devanagari, but some students have that habit, they just write that angular letters. Then they make Ra like this. So how now we can understand these things. Clear? This is Ra. And what is difference between Ra and Ba? This letter is Ba. Okay, this is not angular, this is spherical. Okay. Now we are moving forward to the next letter. Ya, Ra, La. In Devanagari, this is our La. So it is very simple, the upper line and then this. This is La. Like this is very simple to today's Devanagari. This is La. It is not curved till the ending point, okay? But it's almost similar to Devanagari La. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please make it again?
Okay. First of all, the upper line, then a straight line. Clear? And then we start and we make like this. Okay, in Devanagari, what happens? It goes like this. It goes like this. But in Sharda, it doesn't go till the last end point. This is La. But from this image, we can understand very clearly, okay, it is La. It is not similar to another letter. And it is very similar to Devanagari. So I don't think there is any confusion left in everybody's mind. Okay. Now we are going to the next letter. Letter V. In Devanagari, the letter V is this. V. Okay. It is very simple. We have an upper line, then a straight line. And then we start from this point. This is V. Okay. This is the letter V. It is very clear and similar. Sometimes we find were like this also, but it is very rare. The newest one, the manuscripts are available where we can see this type of were, but in the ancient manuscripts we find were like this. Okay, there is no space between the upper line and the letter. This is were. Okay, so
हाँ
here,
मैडम,
हाँ,
हाँ जो ल और व में जो स्ट्रेट लाइन हम करते हैं तो वो थोड़ा साइड से रखेंगे ना, एकदम मिडल से तो करना नहीं होता ना। जैसे व में हम स्ट्रेट लाइन करते हैं तो एकदम सेंटर से करते हैं, इसमें थोड़ा
नहीं,
साइड से रहेगा ना।
ये एक लेटर है अपना, इसका इतना जैसे मैंने आपको बताया ना कि आप बॉक्स में बनाएंगे, ठीक है, तो आपका जो एक बॉक्स आएगा, इसीलिए मैंने आपको मैथमेटिक्स की एक वो नोटबुक लेने का कहा। ये आपका एक बॉक्स आया, बॉक्स ये आपका बेसिकली इस तरह से रहेगा, इस तरह से। तो आप इस तरह से बनाएंगे क्योंकि आगे अगर मात्रा वगैरह भी लगानी हो आपको इतना स्पेस छोड़ना होगा, ठीक है। तो जो अपर लाइन है उसके मिडल से लेंगे हम, ठीक है।
ओके ओके मैम।
हाँ, आगे हम थोड़ा स्पेस देंगे। ये आप यही कहना चाह रहे हैं ना कि ये ऐसे बनना चाहिए? हम्म,
हाँ मतलब एकदम मिडल से करना है या थोड़ा साइड से, मतलब
नहीं
80% को
मिडल
छोड़
से,
के करना
मिडल से, मिडल से।
है? ओके ओके, हाँ बस अब क्लियर हुआ।
हाँ, ठीक है। तो ये आपका हो गया वो, यर लव। नाउ आई एम मेकिंग ऑल these letters again. Letter य, य, र, this is r, then the letter l, and then v. So is there any letter which doesn't have upper line? क्या इसमें कोई भी ऐसा अक्षर है जिसपे शिरोरेखा नहीं है?
No, ma'am.
नहीं, सब पर शिरोरेखा है, तो इसमें हमें किसी को भी बॉक्स करने की जरूरत नहीं है। So we don't need to make box because all these letters have upper line. Now the line is coming the next. It is very very important because we use these letters very much. Okay, so now the letter sh, talavya sh, we make it like this in Devanagari. Okay, in diacritics we make it like this, sh. In Sharda, first of all there is an upper line, then we are making this, and this is filled. This is not this is angular. Okay, we have to keep this in mind. So this is ma. This is, sorry, sha. This is sha, and it is very similar to letter ma. So what is the difference between ma and sha? Can someone tell me?
Shirorekha,
The upper line.
Shirorekha,
Shirorekha
and
and
then the starting it will be bit curved in ma, and
yes,
here it is
it is
and
not curved, it is angular.
angular,
Because
and the curve should be like it. Here it is triangular, and there you said it shouldn't be triangular, but it should be round.
yeah, so this is ma and it is filled. Now we can see the differences. Three differences are there and two are the major one. The upper line Okay, and this one. This is angular and this is round. So these two differences are there between ma and sh. I hope it is clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so there is no doubt. This is sh. This is talavya sh. We pronounce it through talu. That's why it is talavya sh. Okay, there are three sh. So this is talavya. Okay. Now we are moving forward for the letter sh. This is in Devanagari. This is in diacritics. The Murdhanya, and it is called Murdhanya. Murdhanya sh. So how we make it very clear? The curve, the same, okay, and a simple line. This is sh. So what is there? There is no upper line. Okay, there is no upper line, and the line is straight. The inner line, it is straight. So we found two letters. This is, what is this letter?
Pa.
Pa.
Pa. Okay, there is also not Shirorekha, and this is
Yeah.
No, no,
Ha.
tha.
Ha,
this
ma'am.
is Tha. Okay, so now we have two letters which are very similar. So the one, if there is an upper line, then it is Tha. Okay, this one. And if there is no upper line, then it is Sh. This is Murdhanya Sh. This is Sh. Okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are moving forward to the letter S. In Devanagari, we write S like this. And in diacritics, we make it, we pronounce it like S. This is very clear, very simple. This is S. And this is filled. Okay? This is filled. This is your S. So what is the difference between Sh and S?
Shirorekha.
Only the upper line Shirorekha. Okay? So now we have three letters. This one is, which letter is this?
Ma.
This is Ma, and this is
Sha.
this is Sh. Okay? So now what is the difference there? It is angular and there is no upper line. So this is S. Okay? This is S. Now the last letter of this Varnamala is H. in Devanagari, we make her like this. This is her. So in Sharda, we make an upper line and then we make like this. This is her. This is her. Similar to Devanagari. Now this is your homework. You have to understand like how these letters are similar to Devanagari and how. Sometimes we rotate the letter something, sometimes we remove some things, and sometimes we make angular to round shape, sometimes round to angular shape. So by these things we can understand if we are doing the comparative Devanagari script, then we can understand. So this is Sharda's her. Okay, in fur it is this thing is touched to the another line, and in Devanagari we make it like this. Okay, we add the part and it becomes Devanagari's her. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If we remove this lower thing, then it became Sharda's her. Okay, this is not the new one. And which letter is similar to this letter?
For, ma'am.
Ha.
Her. Good. So this was her. And in today we make like this is your her. Okay. In Devanagari we just make a straight line and then we remove this one. And this became your her. Today's Devanagari is. So there is no difference. We have to understand the development only. And we have to think the different aspects. Okay. So the difference is clear
Ma'am.
between her and her. And you understood very well that how this letter was developed in today's Devanagari. Okay. So now I'm going to make these letters again of the sh line. So this is your Talavya sh. Okay. This is Talavya sh. This is Murdhanya sh. This is sa. This is Dantya sa. Okay. And then this is ha. So which letter don't have the upper line? There are two letters, the sh and
Murdhanya sh and sa.
So in previous line we saw there all letters had upper line. Okay, ya, ra, la, va. So one letter is we can assume and we can understand like this. So there are two letters. These two letters doesn't have the upper line. Okay, the difference is only we can understand by only this one method. Okay. So now we have learned all the letters of the Sharda script. So how many letters don't have the Shirorekha? Tell me.
9. There are 9.
Total, there are 9 letters. Okay. There are 9 letters who don't have the upper line. Only 9. Now we are going to understand the difference, the similar looking letters. So the first one is that nga and ta. Okay. This is nga. In Devanagari, it's this one. The last letter of first line. And then we found ta. Okay, and this is re. This is the, and this is re. So now we can say the difference between all these letters, right? There, this one is angular. This one is angular here. Okay, this is round and there is one stroke. If there is one stroke, it will be t. If there is no stroke, then it will be re. Now these letters are very same, but we can find the differences. The differences are also very clear. Anybody have any doubt? Is
No, ma'am.
there any space of doubt? If someone have a question, they can ask. Okay. So you have to make the chart of these letters, which are the similar. So this is one, and then we see the letters, the k and ch. Okay. So this is your letter k, and this is ch. Okay, the k and ch. Now we can see the difference. These letters are same, but there are differences. Now, the letter
Yeah, and
E. Letter E. It's like this. There are two dots. Okay, it is filled. E. Then the R. This is R. Then this is our G, and this is B. Okay. So the first two letters are very similar, but if there are two dots on the upper line, so it is very clear that it is E, and if there are no these two dots, then it is R. And if there is a line in front of this is shape, then it is G. And if it is round and not filled, then it is B. Okay, this is B. This is G, this is Dirgha E, and this is R. Okay?
yes, ma'am.
These are clear. Now, the letter Tha. This is your Ch. This is your Da. This is your Dha. Okay? Now we can understand these letters. Is there any other similar letter? No. So this is Ch, this is the, and this is dha. Okay? These are similar looking letters. Now
मैडम
the d.
ढ में तो वो ब्लैंक नहीं रहेगा ना, वो फील रहेगा ना जो सर्कल होता है एक साइड का।
नहीं, वो वैसा ही रहेगा। मैंने जस्ट लेटर्स की आकृति को समझाने के लिए कि हमारे डिफरेंसेस कहाँ है, वो फील्ड रहेगा।
हाँ, ओके ओके,
ठीक है। ढ की बात कर रहे हैं तो ढ इस तरह से रह के, सॉरी गलत बन गया, ढ इस तरह से बन के और ये यहाँ से फील्ड रहेगा। अब हम डिफरेंसेस पे ध्यान दे रहे हैं, आकृति क्योंकि हम बहुत अच्छे से समझ चुके हैं। ठीक है।
ओके मैम, ओके
हाँ,
मैम।
अब आती है बात ड की। तो सबसे पहले आया य, ये य है, ये आपका आया ड, ये आया हमारा भ। ठीक है, तो तीनों का डिफरेंस हम समझ सकते हैं। दिस इज य, दिस इज ड एंड दिस इज भ. So now we can see there is in the year there is a straight line, addition like an obstacle, and the bha, it is almost full circle, but there is some space. These two strokes are not touched to each other. Okay. So this is ya, da or bha. Now there are some more letters. This is u and this is ta. Now you can understand this is u and this is ta. So there is a difference of stroke and the straight line. Clear? Now the last one, which is interesting and we learned today only. The letter, this is ma, this is sh, and this is sa. Okay, this is ma, sh, and sa. Okay, so difference, this is ma, this is sh, and this is sa. So we have to be very careful for these three letters because they are used too much times. These three letters are very popular. Okay?
मैम स के ऊपर हेडलाइन नहीं है ना?
नहीं आएगी.
एक एक करके
मैम
बोलिए पहले.
स के ऊपर शिरोरेखा नहीं आएगी ना?
Oh, sorry, I made this mistake. There is no Shiro Rekha. This is the. Thank you. So this is like I have to write. There is one more letter. The fa and ha you understood. Now just I have to write. I'm writing a word and you have to understand. What is this?
Summer.
Samala.
Summer.
Write this letter in your chat box.
Summer.
Summer.
Samara. Very good. Now
कमल।
what is this? Write in the chat box.
Kamala.
कमल।
I want everybody's response in the chat box. Yes, this is Kamala. Now, What is this? Write fast in the chat box. I want to see everybody's response. What is this letter?
Samara.
Sharam.
Sharama. So now you have to make the words like this. Okay. The letters don't have the matras. Okay. Like kartab, kamala, hasana, kathana, gamana. Okay. So these type of words you have to choose, and one side you have to write it in Devanagari, Roman. Okay. Devanagari or Roman, one side it will be like this, and the other side you will write it in Sharda script. Then you will send your homework in the group, and I will check, and then I will tell you. So I hope now you can understand all the letters. If you can ask me. Anybody have any doubt? Is there some query or question? So now you have to practice all these letters. You have to find the differences, and you have to understand them. And later on, you have to write at least 50 to 70 words. Okay. So the words which are simple, they don't have any matra. आपको कम से कम 60 शब्द ऐसे लिखने हैं जिनमें कोई मात्रा ना हो, और उनको एक तरफ आपको या तो देवनागरी में लिखना है या रोमन में लिखना है, और दूसरी तरफ आपको शारदा लिपि में लिखना है। ठीक है। और ये करके आप ग्रुप में सबमिट कर देंगे अपना होमवर्क, और उसको मैं चेक करके आपको बताऊंगी। ठीक है। किसी का कोई प्रश्न है तो आप पूछ सकते
मैम,
हैं।
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम। मैम वही लेटर
जी।
से करना है, शारदा में जिस लेटर का मात्रा नहीं है उस लेटर से शब्द बनाना है।
अभी मैंने क्योंकि आपको मात्रा नहीं सिखाई ना, तो आपको अभी एकदम सिंपल वर्ड्स के थ्रू ही जाना है। जैसे अभी मैंने लिखा ना कि कर, आप इस तरह के शब्द लेंगे जिसमें मात्रा ना हो। तो कर, तब, हसन, हाँ,
अच्छा मैम, अच्छा
दहन।
मैम। यस मैम,
ठीक
यस
है।
मैम, यस मैम। हाँ, यस मैम,
हाँ,
यस मैम।
कल हम मात्राएं सीखेंगे, और उसके बाद हम मात्रा वाले शब्द भी बनाएंगे। नाउ यू हैव टू राइट दीज लेटर्स इन योर नोटबुक। यू आर फ्री टू चूज एनी वर्ड which is available in your language, but one side you have to write it in Devanagari or Roman, so I can understand that what letter you want to write. Okay, if there is any mistake, so I can understand that. And it should not only be in Sharda, it should be in Devanagari. One side it should be in Devanagari or Roman, and the other side it will be in Sharda. Okay.
Okay मैम।
Okay. So now can we end this class?
Yes, ma'am.
So there are only two things. If nobody has questions, you understood very well or you didn't understand. So I don't know what was the situation. I can see, I will see your homework, but it is very good. It will be very good if you have any query, any doubt, and you can ask. Okay.
Okay
So
मैम।
can we end this class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes मैम।
Okay. Okay.
Thank you मैम।
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good night.
Thank you,
My
ma'am.
pleasure. Good night.
Ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, we are ending.